most significant of all warnings that we can issue when it comes to a tornado, okay? This is more significant than a tornado warning. A tornado emergency is now in effect for Cleveland, McLean, and Oklahoma County.
This is the most disturbing picture to me, though, Jake, where this is a school, and the school took a direct hit. It truly did. The Plaza Towers Elementary School, and there was another school that took a very hard hit. But there are people looking for, well, I guess we would assume children or of course, the faculty. I'm not sure whether the school was left out or not, and we pray that they were somewhere else or at least underground because.